They say Zarik does not strike like the gods. He creeps. First comes the heaviness in your bones, as if your blood has turned to lead. Then the dreams. Dark fields within a sentient void, where a soul collector demon follows you. Each morning, you wake weaker, your skin pale, your voice barely a whisper. In one village, a man's wife spoke of an entity that perched on her husband's chest each night. She swore it was no illness, but a demon crouched over him, feeding. By the third week, he no longer left his bed. His body wasted away, though he had food, and when he finally died, his mouth was frozen open, as if screaming in silence. The old ones whispered Zarik's name. They said he is sent to the damned. He does not kill quickly. He drinks the soul in sips, savoring despair until nothing remains but a husk. And though he chooses you, no amulet nor prayer will stop him. Only the sound of your final breath. So if you wake with lead in your limbs, if every step feels heavier than the last, beware, for it may not be weariness that follows you. It may be Zarik, already drinking.